The area of a triangle is 30 square inches. If the height is 2 inches, less than 2 times the base, determine the height and base of the triangle. The first step in this problem is to understand and translate. I'm going to let x equal the base. Therefore, 2x minus 2 is equal to the height. We know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. We were given that the area was 30, and so I can substitute that in. We've established that the base is x, and the height is 2x minus 2. So I have an equation I can use to solve this problem. The next step in the problem is to carry out, and so I will solve this equation. Now, we note that we have a fraction, but what we might want to do is to multiply using the distributive property, because we should be able to get rid of that fraction. So on the left-hand side, we'll have 30. I'll have 1/2 x times 2x. Notice that 1/2 times 2 is actually 1, so I'm left with x squared. 1/2 x times 2, again 1/2 times 2 is 1, so I'm left with x. I note that I have a squared term, so I'm going to have to get one side equal to 0. The easiest thing to do is to subtract 30 from both sides of the equation, so we'll have 0 equals x squared minus x minus 30. We now need to factor the right-hand side, and when we factor, we'll get x minus 6 times x plus 5. We can then use the zero factor property to rewrite this as x minus 6 equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0. Solving these, we have x equal to 6, or x equal to -5. The third step to this problem is to answer the question. We got x equals 6 or x equals -5, and remember that x represented the base of the triangle. So therefore, the length of something cannot be a negative, so we know that x has to equal 6. So the answer to the problem is the base of the triangle is 6 inches and the height is 10 inches.